I got something nice for you today. 10 small boxes of lovely stuff straight out from Japan. I have a huge bunch of pre-orders on this that is waiting to be shipped out, and some with split delivery, not split delivery, they're waiting for the last parts, taking up a lot of space on one of my shelves. So hopefully these boxes here will make sure that a lot of them are being shipped. Let's hope. I'm not quite sure which of the deliveries we're waiting for, but here is some of it. The side F Sazabi in real grade. Beautiful limited version. And we have this beauty here. Yarix 93 new, Gundam new, in the Psycho Frame activated image color. It's one of my favorite kits. I have two versions of it. I do not have this one, though it's a cool version. Then we have Gundam new in the real grade, first lot color version. This one is waiting to be delivered with something else, together with the double F new Gundam from side F. Both of them was from side F actually. A lot of these boxes have been sold. Might have some of them that is not sold yet. I can't really remember. I just know I have a big stack of pre-orders waiting for these. So we'll have to see once I count it out all up and shipped it all out, which ones are left. And they will be put on the website, and I might put out a mail or something like that. Let's see here. We have this Gundam Base Limited Saku Cannon Z Gundam version. Simply just love the color of this box and of the kit itself. I do believe this one was sold as well, unfortunately, for those of you who thinks, wow man, that looks crazy cool, I need that one. Because I lost my dealer in Japan, at least for the rest of the year. That's kind of unfortunate. But I got this one though, the limited item, double Zeta Gundam Verka in clear color. So it got all these nice runners here. I saw a question. Can somebody please tell me why people like clear color? I do not understand. Well, first off, it's kind of not anime accurate, I know that, but it's kind of bling bling, and it just shines special edition, like you can get a Funko Pop in gold that doesn't look like the real figure. It's all probably something like that. Special editions, people like that. I like it myself. The Master Grade Aegis Gundam in clear color. I think I just sold this one as well. I mean, it is some very fresh colors, I must say. And we have this beauty here, Master Grade Hyakushiki also. And this is mechanical clear, which means if you are supposed to or want to paint the inner frame, you can see everything through it. If not, it looks amazing as well. I have it in my Gundam new Master Grade mechanical clear. And I sold a lot of the Ball Verka mechanical clears as well. Looks amazing. But, you know, visual taste, it's all a matter of personal preference. So if you don't like it, just don't buy it. So many weird questions sometimes. And since we all have different tastes, we don't have to like each other's taste. The Gundam Base Limited Xeon in clear color. And what I remember is that, yeah, look at this picture. This is why we like the clear color. I think it looks amazing. And you also have the possibility to actually see all the fine details that Bandai is hiding underneath the armor. I think it's a great idea. We got this Wing Zero EW Verka from the Gundam base, and this is also clear, so it's not completely see-through like the mechanical clear. It's more, it has this milky clear plastic. We have 2 of each of those, so it's a different clear than the other one. I'm gonna have a problem stacking all this stuff up, so let me just remove it bit by bit so it doesn't block the sight of the unboxing. Got a lot of boxes to go through yet. I was only 3, 10 of them. Some creative way of closing the boxes, but that's probably because they have these unorthodox sizes, and to save on shipping we have to cut them down to size, because shipping from Japan at the moment is just horrible. Now, what do we have here? We have another. Now, let's take this one first. This is one of my favorites as well. This one is just being sold as fast as I can get it, I do believe. The Gundam Base Limited Epion in the special coating. And it actually looks like this. I have it myself. Just take a runner up for you so you can see the beautiful color here. It looks amazing. It's not the biggest kit, you know, the mobile suit itself is not that big, but it looks great. Another Hyakushiki mechanical clear. I think I have 1 left. Then I have the Gunner Saku Warrior Luna Maria Hawk Custom in clear color. Never had that one before. Let's take a look here. Has this dark red, purple color. I think, I can't remember if I sold it, guys. I have to check that out later. We have 1 more Aegis. I think I have 1 Aegis left, and we have the real great Sazabi. Let's see. I'm also amazed of how well these kits, like 99% of the time, actually come completely intact. When you think of they cross the Japan border, go all the way through Asia on a ship and stuff, or train ship I think it is. And we have stuff coming from Europe that's getting busted on pallets. Now this one can be a bit dented though. It is what it is. There is no returns on these, so if it has a small bend up here, that's what it is. We have some customers waiting for these Endless Waltz heavy arms iGel version that looks incredible. 2 of those, 3 of those, they are from P Bandai. So we can close the orders over here and ship them out. We have this beauty here from Fukuoka Limited, the Unicorn Perfectibility Destroy Mode Final Battle version GSF. Crazy names. These colors here look incredible. This is only a high grade kit though, but same size as the Master Grade iGel. Then we have the RX-93, which is the Gundam New in clear color, limited item, real great version. I do believe I have 2 of those here. I'm going to put all this stuff over there. do have customers or postage men though that throw the packages around, just say, well, I didn't know it was fragile. Man, don't throw my shit around like that. It's expensive. This is also something that we saw before. I do believe I have one of these left. Master Grade Gundam New in the Psycho Frame activated color. This beauty here, one of those as well. And we have another set of the FF New and the first lot color. 3 boxes left. Let's put these one over here, kind of annoying. I'm gonna try to see if I can make a pretty wall of all these kits to make a nice thumbnail. What kind of heresy is this? Very nicely packaged. Master Grade 3.0 of the RX-78-2 Gundam Base version of the titanium finish, so it looks completely painted. It is painted, but it looks very, very good. Then we have this humongous one, the Gundam Base Limited Unicorn Gundam Perfectibility, which is, they're always sold. I can never have them for more than 5 minutes. Then they're ordered, and I never get one myself either. Huh. Oh, we have 3 more boxes here. One more here. What is this? Ooh, this is a nice one that people have been waiting for as well. This is a thick one. The Eclipse Gundam plus Raijin Striker Orb Mobile Suit. Never had that one before either. This is a Bandai kit. Looks great with the Raijin Striker. Now, my whole goal is that once my agent is back, I will try to go in even more in this market if possible. You know, maybe to get more high grades as well. It's just because it's really not a very good deal for me, those high grades. And last time I did that in the beginning of the store, I had so many high grades lying around. I still have high grades lying around that's been lying around for some years. And that's just not very profitable because they're kind of expensive to get home and just to have lying around. More Gundam Base and side F bags. Plastic bags. Have this one, Gundam Base Limited, luminous crystal body in the high grade version. And we have Mobile Doll May, the Gundam Base color. We have the special limited price of the RX-78-2 version 3.0 in complete gold coating. Can only be bought if you have X amount of points. Another perfectibility. Last box. Let's get it over with so I can move on in my life with this mess I am creating for myself here. Last box of goodies. I hope this is the Ipion Sturm thing. Damn, it's not. We're actually waiting for that one for some of the orders. It's annoying. Must be here next time, I think. We all saw these before. Wing, clear color. This one was not here, but I have it. Or was it sold? I think it was sold. The Eclipse Gundam Base Limited clear color. Not the Raijin Striker one, just the normal one. We got another one with the double Zeta Vakar. And another titanium finish RX-78-2 3.0. Now, that's it guys. I should get this stuff going. But should I leave the camera while I'm trying to make a wall of nice kits? Because I won't be able to show the fronts of all of this. Simply too much. Simply too much stuff. But we could do something with these afterwards. Let's see here if it can even be here. So we have a lot of stuff. Kind of depends on how much room I have. We can mix it a bit so it doesn't look like it's all the same. Yeah, for those of you guys who think this is a waste of time, you can just end the video now. I just thought that maybe it could be fun for some to see how it works sometimes behind the scenes. Not that I'm very good at making content, you know, visually with edits and stuff, but that's probably because I'm just alone. Don't have so much time. Now, should we just leave these here and put this one up here? Also have one at the bottom. Do not do that one. We can put it up here. Maybe, no, that's too tall. It's just gonna be like that, guys. Well, I hope you, let me check out the camera here. You enjoyed this, and I can take a picture right here while filming. I hope you enjoyed this. Most of this will go out today. Stuff that doesn't go out, you will be able to find it on the website later. So I will see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye.